morning. Got the Cavendish load for you.
Perfect timing. Let's get these inspected.
Afterward, the bananas are cleaned by modern machines. After cleaning, the bananas go through the peeling stage.
यहाँ केले को हमवार पेस्ट में तब्दील किया जाता है।
The throughput stabilized right after the adjustment.
Yes, the calibration is holding steady across all units.
जदीद ओवन में दर्जा हरारत मुकम्मल कंट्रोल में होता है।
This is why banana bread becomes soft and delicious.
The bread's temperature is brought to normal by cooling.
After that, the breads go to the packing section. Here, special care is taken regarding temperature and cleanliness.
Everywhere, the principles of cleanliness and security are adopted.
The calibration adjustments look good. See the stability metrics.
Yes, the throughput increased by 20%. We should log this configuration.
We need this section secured by noon. Roger that. Guide it left slightly. Got it. Powering up the drill now.
The taste of banana bread remains consistent in every batch.
The best combination of factory technology and expertise is
बेकरी इंडस्ट्री में दिलचस्पी रखने वालों के लिए मुफीद है।
From this video, you will gain complete knowledge of industrial baking.
How could you leave me here? After everything we built in this room, you just walk away.
By optimizing these data streams, we were able to increase efficiency by nearly 20%, far exceeding our initial projections for the quarter.
केले मैश करने के बाद तमाम अज्जा को एक साथ मिला लें और अब इसे पैन में डाल दें।
This complete process covers from start to finish. After watching the video, you will be able to understand the factory system.
If you like the video, be sure to like it.
Subscribe to the channel for more such videos.